All right, so drafting the collar for your navy pea coat for a children's coat. So this is on page 745, starting with figure 2, the collar. I've traced off the front pattern piece made with the extension from center front, curved this little point here and all of that. As I traced it off, I left my D and my A lines and the extension from A in order to plot the roll line. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to establish from A to F a 1/4 of an inch. So getting my ruler over a 1/4 of an inch, there is F. Then back measurement, neck measurement, mine is 2 3/4 plus 1/8 of an inch. So that will be 2 7/8 of an inch that I need to extend from the shoulder on up. So to plot that, place the edge of the ruler at the outer curve of the neckline, passing through F and extending it on back. I'm going to go ahead and draw my line first and then do my 2 7/8 of an inch measurement from F on back up here. So there is that spot. I need to find the middle of that measurement. It is approximately about right there. Okay. Draw the neck measurement line from F to G. So that's my G mark. And continue the curve of the neckline. So what we're going to do here is up from about here, we come out 1/4 or 1/2 inch, and then I will use this. So from here, about that midpoint on over. Squaring up from this point, now that is extended out 1/2 inch from G. And for your smaller sizes, it's going to be 2 3/4 for the size of the collar. This is squared off, that is squared off. Now then, starting here at D, I want to be 1/8 of an inch away from this edge. Again, keeping this kind of a guideline out there, and keeping my collar edge parallel to the neck edge. All right, so 2 3/4. I'm going to go ahead and kind of plot that on out. And you can shape this as you would like, as what kind of looks good. And again, once you do it out of the muslin, you'll see if you like it or not. Okay, so 1/4 inch here from A over to F. Place your ruler on the outer curve through F. Give yourself a straight line through there. Establish the measurement from F to G, which is your back neck plus 1/8. Find that midpoint between F and G. From there, you will extend this outwards 1/2 inch. Give yourself the point, and then using your French curve, you can curve this neck edge into the midpoint down to F, and then completing the rest of the curve for the neck to D. That's when it separates from the lapel to your edge of your collar. You can curve your corners as you would like. From here, you square a line out to establish, I guess that was I, or I'm sorry, yeah, I. For your size, 2 3/4, and then just follow this line, kind of mimicking or paralleling that line. That's your collar. Center back goes on the fold. The rest of this would get seam allowance.